Very good morning, students. This is Jay Vishakan. For this session, I'm going to solve a problem by using work energy principle. In the last video lecturing session, I taught you all about the concept and what are the things to be kept in mind while solving the problem. Right. Let me just read out the question first. A block weighing 2500 Newton rests on a horizontal plane for which the coefficient of friction is 0.2. This block is pulled by a force of 1000 Newton acting at an angle of 30 degree. Find the velocity of the block after it moves 30 meter starting from rest. So unfortunately no diagram or sketch has been given. So we'll have to draw the diagram. I'm going to draw the diagram first. It is clearly mentioned there is a horizontal plane. So this is a horizontal plane and a body is weighing 2500 Newton. So weight of the object or body is 2500 Newton. Its coefficient of friction is 0.2. So mu is equal to 0.2. This block is pulled by a force 1000 Newton. If you put the arrow here, this denotes pushing. That means the block is pulled by a force 1000 Newton acting at an angle of 30 degree. So it is pulling. So 1000 Newton at an angle of 30 degree. So P equal to 1000 Newton. Find the velocity of the block after it moves. So to find velocity, it moves 30 meter. So the displacement is 30 meter. Starting from rest. So when a body starts from rest, u is equal to 0. When the body comes to rest means v equal to 0. Here it says starting from rest. So you'll have to choose this one. U is equal to 0. Solution. First thing, we should draw the FBD of the block. This is the block and it's weighing 2500 Newton. Here the force makes at an angle of 30 degree. So I should convert this into vertical and horizontal component. This can be written as horizontal as cos 30 and vertical component as 1000 into sin 30. So due to this pulling, the body tends to move in the positive x direction. Therefore, the motion is in positive x direction. Therefore, the frictional force will be opposite of the motion of the body, F. When the block and the horizontal plane is in contact, so therefore there will be a normal reaction which will act perpendicular to the surface of the body. Right. Now I'm going to apply the conditions here. Here the body is moving in the horizontal direction. Therefore the condition here is summation h is not equal to 0. The body is moving in the horizontal direction. So the condition here is summation h is not equal to 0. but summation V equal to 0. And the first condition. And the second one is the motion of direction. There's a moving direction is considered as positive. Moving direction. So the object is moving in the right and even positive x direction, so that needs to be considered as positive, and this direction should be considered as negative. Clear? Right. Now I am going to solve the equation here. Summation H equal to, how many horizontal forces are there? 1 and 2. Right. So 1000 cos, which is in positive direction because the motion is in the right hand direction. So 1000 cos 30. F is in negative direction, minus F, which is equal to 1000 into cos 30, which works out 866. 866 minus F is nothing but F is equal to mu n, the coefficient of friction into normal reaction. So mu value is 0.2. So 0.2 into n. Equation number 1. Got it? So now I'm going to use the condition number 2. Summation V is equal to 0. So 0 equal to the 2500, which is acting in the negative direction, and n is in positive direction. Therefore n equal to 2500 Newton. Now substitute this n value on equation number 1. So summation H is equal to 866 minus 0.2 into 2500, which works out 366 Newton. Now work energy principle. Work energy principle. By using work energy principle, I am going to solve the problem. So work done equal to change in kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy. So work done is nothing but force into displacement or distance. Force, which is summation H, because the object is moving in the horizontal direction. So therefore summation H. So summation H into S is the displacement. Change in kinetic energy. So 1/2 into mass of the object into V square minus U square. Substitute all the values here. Summation H is 366. Displacement or distance is 30 meters. 1/2 m. So here weight is given, right? So let me convert this into weight is equal to W by G divided by 9.81, which works out 2500 divided by 9.81, 254.8, 254.84 kg into 254.84 to V square minus, since it starts from rest, U is equal to 0, that is 0 square. Therefore 366 into 30, 10980 equal to 254.84 divided by 2, 127.42 V square. Therefore, V square equal to 10980 divided by 127.42. 86.17 right. Therefore, V equal to root of 86.17, root of 86.17, 9.3, 9.3 meter per second. Clear? So, three things you'll have to remember. First, the condition. When the movement of the body is in horizontal position, summation h is not equal to 0, summation v equal to 0. Then second, the movement of or the motion of the body, that is the moving direction of the body, is to be considered positive, and the opposite direction is considered as negative. And look at next, if it is mentioned starts from rest, then u equal to 0. Suppose the question says comes to rest, then v is equal to 0. As far as this problem is concerned, starting from rest, therefore u is equal to 0. Next, the formula, you have to memorize it. Work done equal to change in kinetic energy, summation h into s, that is force into distance or displacement, equal to change in kinetic energy, that is final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Thank you.